Speak English confidently. Hello friends, I am Radha and in this video I want to share something how to speak English confidently. Actually, I am learning English. Still I am learning English, but I observed many things because I'm not fluent, but I can explain things. I can observe things. I can listen, I can understand. That's why I want to share my experience with you. So if you are a beginner, this video only and only for you. If you are intermediate level, then this video also for you. You can listen if you want. But especially I am recording this video for beginners who want to improve their English, who are struggling to speak English confidently, because many people they are afraid about making mistakes. If you are a beginner, then you can relate these things with you. What if I make mistakes while speaking English? What if I make some mistakes while speaking, and if somebody find my mistakes, what I will do? How I will handle that situations? How I will do in that particular situations? Guys, one beginner has many things inside their mind. Their mind it's totally filled with excuses or something negative things, or sometimes that positive things also inside that mind. So I would say, if you are a beginner and if you are thinking too much about your mistakes, so please stop. Yes guys, stop. And here I am present for explaining all the things. What is the reason behind it? Why you are falling every time to thinking too much about mistakes? So guys, one thing I want to share with you. Are you afraid? Are you afraid of making mistakes? If yes, then please mention it. If not, then also mention it your motivations. Okay? So now my first thing is, you should speak with yourself. Yes, guys, mark my words. You should speak with yourself each and every day, at least 10 minutes. Please, 10 minutes you should give to explain anything about your daily habit, about your works, about your habits, about your anything. It could be anything, but it is need to explain 10 minutes each and every day. I hope you can understand. Okay, it could be your daily habits, it could be your present life, past life, or maybe your dreams. You should say like, I'm sweeping, I'm mopping, I'm talking, I want to go somewhere, I want to buy something, I want to wear this dress, I want to, purchase this one, I want to go market for purchase something. I'm standing here, I need a glass of water. Can you bring a glass? Can you bring a glass of water for me? And I'm thirsty, I'm hungry, I want to wash my face, I want to take a bath. And I know you are thinking these all the sentences very small and very short. Anyone can speak it, anyone can speak it naturally. But here I want to share with you that truth. If you are thinking these are very small sentences, if you are thinking, then yes, you are right. These are very small sentences. But if you can speak in your daily life, in your daily habit, then you can make a huge difference between this day or your that day. If you can speak these all the sentences in your daily basis, then you can feel the huge changes in your life, in your English speaking journey, in your learning stage. Okay, because these are small but their effect huge. I hope you can understand. So you should every day mention all the things like, I need to read, I need to speak, I need to go, I need to buy, I want to do this one, I want to do that one, I want to purchase, I want to take this, I want to take a rest. Like small things, but you should explain in your daily basis. Okay, because fluency, that means not explaining huge sentences, small sorry big sentences. Fluency, that means speak anything, but speak with clarity, speak with perfections, speak with smoothly. That is called fluency. Okay, so if you are a learner, please don't hesitate to speak somewhere. Please don't hesitate to make mistakes. Always try to speak English. Always try to speak small sentences, but speak it. Speak out loud. Okay, so you should try to speak each and every day. Speak small sentences, but speak out loud. In this way, you can become fluent English speaker. But in that process, it takes time. It takes time. Many people, they are thinking how much time we should give for become fluent English speaker. So I would say it depends person to person. If you are a hard worker, then you can become fluent English speaker just by passing 3 months, 4 months, I would say in 6 months or 1 year. So I cannot say there is any certain months, there is certain way or time that you can follow and you can become fluent English speaker. No dear, because I'm learning English, I would say it's been 1 year. Yes, literally. So it's been one year, but still I'm learning. But I can explain things. I can explain things. I can share whatever I want share with anyone. So that are very important for me. If I can explain, that is a good achievements for me, because without practices I cannot become fluent English speaker. So that's why I want to do practice each and every day, and also I'm doing practices, and in this way I do each and everything. I prefer for practice reading mostly, and explaining something, explaining nature things, and it would be any things I want to I prefer to explain. Or the next thing is I used to listen videos, and one thing I want to also mention, if you are thinking whom with I should practice, so there's no need to any practice partner. Actually, I don't have any practice partner, so I used to make conversations with me with any other things, like with nature. I make my own conversations, I record my videos. In this way I make my own conversations. So I used to mirror mostly, and also I'm using camera. So these are all the things, and please read mostly, listen English speech, or try to speak. Okay, do self practice. So these are all the things, if you can do, then you will become fluent English speaker, and you can speak English better. Okay, so I hope you can understand each and everything. If you guys, then please don't forget to do like, share and subscribe. And if you found this video helpful, then please mention your comments. I will check, I will mention my also feedback. I will give my perfect reply for you. So I hope you can do it and become fluent English speaker. So I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, have a nice day, bye bye.